In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Slack cache. If Slack has been acting a little strange, maybe messages aren't updating, images look stuck, or you're seeing outdated content, a quick cache clear can usually fix it. Don't worry, this process is simple, safe, and doesn't delete your messages or your workspaces. It just forces Slack to reload fresh data and assets. First, open Slack and make sure you're on your Slack homepage. That's the main view where you see your channels on the left and your conversations in the center. Click anywhere inside the Slack window to make sure it's the active app. This focus matters because the shortcut we're about to use needs Slack to be selected, not your browser tabs, not your desktop, and not another app in the background. Now, here's the key action. Press Ctrl, Shift, and R together. That's Ctrl plus Shift plus R. This is a hard refresh. It tells Slack to reload the page and clear the cached files it's been holding onto. If you're on a Mac, use Command plus Shift plus R. You'll likely see the interface blink or briefly go blank as Slack reloads. That's normal. Behind the scenes, Slack is dumping old cached images, scripts, and styles, then pulling down the latest versions from the server. After that refresh completes, the cache is cleared automatically. You'll notice channels and messages repopulate, profile photos and attachments re-download, and any stale UI elements get replaced with up-to-date content. You stay signed in, your workspaces remain the same, and your history is intact. Think of it like giving Slack a fresh start without reinstalling anything. If you had small visual glitches, missing message previews, or odd behavior, they should be resolved now. A couple of quick tips to make this go smoothly. If nothing happens when you press the shortcut, click directly inside Slack and try again, pressing the keys firmly at the same time. Some keyboards or operating systems may intercept shortcuts, so make sure no other app is in focus. If Slack takes a moment to reload, that's okay. It's just fetching clean assets. Once Slack is back, take a quick look around. Recent messages should reflect the latest updates, images should render crisply, and the app should feel snappier. If the original issue was caused by leftover cached data, this hard refresh is usually all you need. And that's it. You opened your Slack homepage, used the hard refresh shortcut, and let Slack clear its cache automatically. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get Slack running smoothly again.